Hi everyone, it is time for me to finally introduce my 2026 project pan. So I'm coming to you from February 1st, and I decided not to pressure myself to get a video out in January introducing these products. By the end of January, there's typically no progress visible anyway. So I decided, whatever, I'll just put like my first update and my introduction in one video. It took me a bit to decide, but I think I finally settled on two products and I've been using them throughout the past month. Let me introduce you the eyeshadow first. You're going to see marks all over this. That's because when I used it, I marked down if I just had used it or really liked it. Those marks are part of another project that I'm doing called All the Things. So this is so cute to me. And another cute part about it is that it's like a vertical cover. Look at these tiny little pans. And one of the reasons why I wanted to do this, other than like, I think it's possible, is that these are really good shadows, actually. Some of them are duds, like this orange one, unfortunately, even though it's such a pretty bright color, it's not great. But the shimmers are amazing. There's a really amazing white shimmer, which is crazy for... This palette was $1, I didn't mention. It was $1. And you can see all the hearts that I have on it, including that white and that pink right below it over here. That's what I have on today. It's not picking up great in the camera, but I needed something subtle. There's 18 colors. I want to pan all of them. The darker colors can be used in my brows or as a liner. They're not too bad with fallout from what I remember. Some of these colors I'm going to have to creatively use because I don't usually wear things like this copper color or something like that very often. According to the back of it, there's 19.8 grams in here of product, not just the whole thing, but of product. And that's a lot of product for 18 pans. So each of these is at least 1 gram in weight, or maybe a little more. I don't want to use them all up. I want to pan them all. And the only progress visible right now, let me see if you can tell. There's a dip in this white here. Yeah, for me looking at the camera, you can see that. So I've been using that white. I don't think there's any others that have a noticeable dip. Maybe this tan color that I've just been using. Yeah, kind of, you can see it. I've been using them to set lids. The white dipped so quickly that I was like, I want to stop using it a little bit because I want to keep using it a lot because I like it. This other white is a matte and it's not quite as good, but let me see if I touch up my inner corner here. You can kind of see it like deepen. And then this pink is just a little flaky, but it's got some pigment in it, for sure. And I find it really pretty. This one over here is like a peachy shimmer, and it's really nice as well. So I don't think I'm going to use 19 grams of this product, obviously, but I'm going to pan it. And judging by how much dip is in that white one, I think this is a reasonable project. I'm trying to do things that I'm not going to be super frustrated with. I'll have to see how I feel about it at the end of the year, if I want to keep it, even though it's mostly panned, or hopefully all panned, or not. I don't know. I think this is still sold. This one in particular is called the Glam palette, but when I looked on Amazon, there were different colors under that name. So I'll see what I can find out. Oh, and I almost forgot. I weighed this back in November when I was first thinking about it, just to make sure I didn't forget to weigh it. And it was 64 grams, so that's with the packaging and everything. I just weighed it today, and it's down to 62 grams, but then sometimes that goes right up to 63, so it's probably in between. So 62.5 grams is what I'm calling it. So I've used about 1.5 grams since November. It's been November, December, January. Today's February 1st, so it's been 3 months, and I think that's more than reasonable. And as these get worn down, it's going to be easier to get to the bottom, I think. I've been trying not to like hit too much of a pan before I even introduce it, but I'm on my way. And then I'm going to do a face palette again. I found that really fun the past 2 years. How long have I been doing this? 3 years. Yeah, it's been fun to use a blush and whatever. So I finally decided for this year I'm going to use a very popular blush palette, and it's this Revolution palette with 8 shades in it. It's called Sugar and Spice. I see them at drugstores, especially Target, a lot, but I don't see it online as much. However, it's one of the most viewed videos on my channel is the swatches of this, and I don't want to use it up. I'm quite attached to it. And I don't know that I can use up this much product. It doesn't say how much product is in each pan, but I think we can definitely agree that there's at least a gram in these pans. Maybe I should try to pop one out at some point and weigh it. Anyway, I've had this since 2021 and haven't hit pan in it yet. But can you see the like circle shape, especially at the bottom of these two? I had a similar situation last year where once that circle started to be visible, it wasn't going to be long until I panned it. I only want to pan half of this palette. I use just about all of them except for this metallic pink because it's a highlighter, but look at how dark it is. It's not like a natural highlighter color, so I may try to use it on my eyes, but I'm definitely going to be able to hit 4. I have this highlighter on today. I don't even know if I can still see it. I didn't use this blush today. I used a purple blush by UCANBE that I have mixed feelings about, but these two are almost like a contoury color for me, maybe more like a bronzer, but they're very kind of natural. Just this one's a little darker than the other one. I'm going to link the swatches to this every time I show it, so in each video, so please go check that out. I love that so many people find that video helpful. I want to pan 4 of these. I think these two are definitely going to be easy to do. I didn't want to use it too heavily again before I introduced it. I also forgot to weigh it. I thought I had, but I can't find it. So right now today it's 106 grams. So we'll just go based on that. I have no idea what it was at the beginning of the year. I'm sorry. I am a little worried about hitting that highlighter pan, but I think if I start now and use it consistently, it'll wear it down a bit. These pinks are pretty strong, so I don't need much of those. But I guess if you look at the rings on the bottom, you can tell that I favor these two colors the most. Let me touch it up actually and just kind of tap it just a teensy little bit and kind of put it almost where I would put a bronzer. I don't know if that's showing up at all. I don't want to get it too bright because I'm about to go out. And it's brighter in person than it looks on the camera. Anyway, these are the two products that I'm going to use. A $1 eyeshadow palette by LA Colors. Did I even say that? I don't think I did. Yeah, by LA Colors. And then a blush palette. I'm going to call it a blush palette even though it's got 2 highlighters. A blush palette by Revolution called Sugar and Spice. Go ahead and subscribe so you can make sure to see the updates in the future for this. Let me know what you're panning in the comments below this year, and we will see you in the next one. Bye. Because the end of January, there's typically no, what's the word? And, oh God, what is my hair doing today? I think this is sold, and then I'm gonna do a face palette again. I found that really fun. I couldn't think of the word. I'm gonna use a very popular brush. One of the highest viewed. It's not like a face. It's not a face. Can't talk. I gotta do this more often. Right now, today, it is 60. Nope, that's not it. I don't want to like get it too much because hope to see you in the next update and see you next time. No, I don't like that. I don't know why I keep doing this, like a bicycle or something. Go ahead and subscribe to see what updates I can come up with. What am I saying? Oh my God. I need to practice this. Oh, my hair is probably gonna look crazy, but whatever.